Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's a Monday, October the 23rd, 2023. Not so good news today because we have only two regular puzzles. The first one is a Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and the other one is a Medium Sudoku. No extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you in this newspaper, in today's newspaper. So the solution is after these two regular puzzles, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Yeah, the Friday edition I've already solved. The Thursday edition, last Thursday, and yeah, what's the news of today? Well, I believe the news of today is Max Verstappen, has won again in the US. Max, the 50 victory. Yeah, Max Verstappen. That's the news. All right. So in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. But let me first solve the medium Sudoku. This one will be number 7319. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be easier than the one star because the one star has 27 printed digits. This one has 28. For one star, need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a one-star puzzle. So let's get started. Okay. Let me see. 7 in this row. 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two place left. 7 should be here or there. You see 7 in this column. First column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. Is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. And then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. The 1 in this column. The 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. And now, let me see. 5, 5. 7, need a 4. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 2, 2. These are 3 missing numbers then in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, and we have 3 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in the second column for the 6. Alright, 6, 6. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Okay, now. How about the... Yeah, I need an 8 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 7. We have a pair. No, we don't have a pair. 1, 1. How about the 7? No, not the 7. 3, 3. No. We have a 3 here. And a 5 there. 1, 1. And, okay. Let me think. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 2, 2. Need a 4. Need an 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. And I need a 9. We have a pair. The 8 and the 9 in this row. The 8 and the 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in the last row, no, in this row, should be the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. One was 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright, 6. And I need a 7 here. Okay. And now. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. 6, 8. Need an 8 here. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6, 6, 8, 8. Yeah, this should be the 9. 3 missing numbers in this second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. And look, this box can be an 8. Can be a 6. We have a 6 in the third column. So the 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in the second row for number 9. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Here we have a 9. Here we have a 9. That means in this column we need a 9 in one of these 3 boxes. In this column, need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in that row, no 9 there. So the only place left on the 9 should be here. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 there. Okay. 9 and a 9. Okay. Now. So we have a 9. The 2. Need a 7. 3, 5. 3, 5, and 6. Need a 6 here or there. Here or there. Okay. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see how 4 in this third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Then 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8 and 9, we have 8 now in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then How about a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3. Oh, I need a 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3. 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. But we solved again. We solved again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle. The Tectonic, I believe. Yes. Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.